Small business owners are consistently told that artificial intelligence will automate their workflows and free up their time, but the reality of actually setting it up often feels like taking on a second job. A standard do-it-yourself approach requires an owner to choose an operating system, configure software packages, manage API keys, set up remote access, and navigate model permissions. For a busy office manager, local consultant, or service company with revenue-generating tasks to handle, this technical overhead is a massive distraction. The implementation stalls out before a single workflow ever goes live. Setup friction acts as the primary barrier to adoption, stalling automation projects before they can deliver measurable results to the business. When a business does try to push through that friction, they almost always default to the hardware they already have on hand, a shared office laptop. This timeline chart compares a continuous 24-hour business cycle against a shared laptop's actual uptime. The laptop is frequently closed, restarted, or tied up by daily tasks. During these downtime gaps, continuous automation halts, and incoming requests pile up. Moving the operation entirely to the cloud might seem like a solution, but that introduces a different set of obstacles, adding more monthly subscription services, juggling fragmented dashboards, and losing direct local control over the environment where the automation runs. Maintaining reliability for continuous business operations depends on having a stable, local environment where the automation can run without these interruptions. Think about the established utilities a modern business relies on every day: point-of-sale terminals, internet routers, or security camera recorders. This network diagram shows a typical business setup. The POS system, router, and security cameras operate as independent nodes, rather than running in the background of a personal laptop. The askingAi mini PC acts as a new, independent node, giving AI its own hardware. This creates a plug-and-play approach to automation. Because the local hub arrives pre-configured, a business can completely skip the server assembly phase and immediately start building out workflows. Placing AI on a dedicated mini PC establishes it as a permanent component of office infrastructure. Consider a small HVAC company receiving urgent website inquiries after standard business hours. At 2 in the morning under the old system, the office computers are powered off. Leads sit unread in an inbox until the next morning, giving the customer plenty of time to call a faster competitor. The askingAi mini PC changes this operational dynamic. Because it operates as an always-on, local hub, it can intercept and process those submissions the moment they arrive. This flowchart illustrates exactly how that 2 a.m. workflow executes. The agent evaluates the incoming lead, passes it through a categorization gate to determine if it is urgent or routine, drafts a preliminary reply, and outputs an organized call list for the next morning. Dedicated hardware enables owners to focus strictly on defining the operational rules of their automation. The speed at which a business moves from setup to a live, revenue-supporting workflow defines the ultimate value of an AI project. This pyramid chart illustrates the most effective adoption strategy. Start with a single, highly focused, repetitive process, like sorting leads, to form a stable base layer. Measure the operational success and stack new workflows on top only after that first layer proves perfectly reliable. By giving AI its own physical, always-on home, daily automation becomes a consistent utility for the modern office.